Plano raw po kasi, Sir Lito, no, na baguhin po yung school calendar sa pamamagitan po ng trimester system para sa school year 2026 hanggang 2027. Yung po reaction dito, of course, mula po sa panig po ng parents and the teachers po.
Actually, ma'am, sa atin kasi sa DepEd, wala pong consistency na tinatawag natin with regards to the curriculums na ipinatutupad. Every DepEd secretary, magmula no itong ipinatupad na puro one term ang ating mga presidente, nagiging inconsistent na. Bawat DepEd secretary, mayroon siyang agenda for that matter. Katulad ni yung uli, sabi natin, si DepEd Secretary dati, Sara Duterte, mayroon siyang matatag curriculum na binago niya yung ating curriculum from the previous kay DepEd Secretary, yung si Kwan, yun ang Kwan. Hindi ko na matatanda yung kailang apelyido, pero from that point, kasi pandemic that time, yun nga po, modular kasi because of pandemic, modular system, alternative learning. Pumasok si DepEd Secretary Sara, yun ang we have the matatag curriculum. A caption that was copied from former Gloria Arroyo, which is matatag na republika naman sa kanya yon ang sinusulong niya. Ito naman si DepEd Secretary Sara, matatag na curriculum. So, nirevise lahat. So, on the following year, mayroon silang mga seminars na kinonduct, which is kinder, grade 1, grade 4, grade 7, and then the following year, kinder, grade 2, grade 5, and then grade 8, and so on and so forth. So, yun ay hindi natapos pagdating nung siya napalitan. So, nung dumating itong si Deputy Secretary Angara, ang ginamit naman niya, enhanced matatag curriculum. And on our second year na ngayon, ito na sinusulong niya, which is trimester. So, panibago na naman na trial and error. Ang kawawa na naman dito, ang ating mga learners because another implementation. Ang mahirap dyan kasi, pag mayroong bago implementation, walang textbook Walang textbook, whatever learning materials, wala. Tulad ng matatag curriculum, nung itong nakarang school year or this school year pa lang, wala silang guide ng mga teachers Walang teachers materials. Nagtanong-tanong ako sa ating mga elementary teachers na iba, ang ginagawa na lang nila para ma-cope up with their subject matters, lalo na mga elementary, nag-google na lang sila. Ginugoogle nila yung kanilang topic and then that's it. Itinuturo nila. We have the curriculums, we have the revised at that, pero walang materials. And now, 26-27, ito na ngayon, trimester. Paano nila gagawin na naman? Hindi sa few months left, gagawin na naman nila yung curriculum na yan, trimester na naman yan. Kasi sa atin noon, previous, before this, ang GARAS system, 4 na quarters tayo, 4 quarters every 2 months.